Bismillah. So I will start by opening my application. Meanwhile, I will explain a little bit about my Firebase database. As you can see here, I have all my registered users, and I also have a user registered in user Google and a user registered using Facebook. For my storage, I have a file called images, which has all the images for the users, their profile images. And for my real-time database, okay, so I make it a little bit different. So I have users, and each user is a member of a family. So I have users and families. Each user, I have his email and his name and also his family ID. So if I came to the families, I will find each family has a name and has a family ID. So if I went to the user to the family ID, let's say Jaha family here, each family has its own grocery list. So for the grocery list, I have the name of the item, the grocery item, and the sender name, and of course check if someone buy it or not yet. And I have an online which has all my family member, and each family member I have his email and his name. Also check if he's online or offline. So let's start by signing in using Google. Continue. So you can see here I'm signing in with my account, Mohammad Jaha. So if I click sign in, as you can see here, the changes will be made immediately. So the check become true, that means I'm online. So this is my grocery list. I have 4 items. I have the item name, games, and ordered by Muhammad, who's me. So let's try to add a new item. Let's say I want to order an ice. It will say enter new grocery item. Muhammad, please enter the item you would like to have. So let's save. As you can see here, it's immediately added to my database. Check false, name ice, and sent by Muhammad. So what if I want to edit? Let's say I want to change it from ice to rice. Click save. It will be changed immediately to the rice. What if I want to delete it? Let's click delete. Delete grocery item. Muhammad, are you sure you want to delete this item? Click yes, delete, and it will be deleted immediately. So for the online users, if I clicked on here, I can see here Jaha family has 5 members and only Muhammad is online. The others are all are offline. So let's back to the grocery list, and let's say I want to edit someone else item. Let's say this water ordered by Miro. If I click the edit, it will give me an error. You cannot edit Miro's item. Or if I want to delete it, if I click delete, error, you cannot delete Miro's item. So what if I want to buy all the item for my family member? Of course I can do that, and you can see the changes in my database, because that will make sense. I can buy their items, or I can tell them that I didn't find it. So let's try this. I will open another simulator. I will enter using Miro's account, Miro at gmail.com. Let's say the password, and if I click sign in, it will be immediately changed here to Miro has become online. Yeah, there's something. What if I want to see the Miro's information? So if I clicked here, it will show me Miro's information, his picture, his name, and his email. Also for me, myself, and for others users. So let's back to the grocery list. Let's say Miro added a new item. Say ice. Save. it will be shown immediately in Miro's account. So if Miro's bought it for him, it will come here and see that Muhammad bought this item for Miro. So thank you very much. I will delete it, and it will be deleted in Muhammad's list. uh, so Miro ordered also water. What if I want to add another water by Miro? Let's say water and click save. It will say error Miro, please don't repeat the same item. Of course that will make sense. So two different users can order the same thing, but the same user cannot order the same order. So let's sign out here. Try. Let's click sign out. We'll track Muhammad, and here you can see Muhammad has become offline. What if we register a new user? Click on register, click on photo, choose a photo. Let's say I will choose this photo. Choose. I will call this account Saitama. His email is Saitama at let's change it. Let's say yahoo.com, and password is password. Click register, and here it says please enter your family name to join them. So the system will check if this family is already exists. He will let you join this family. If not, he will create a new family and you will be the first member in this family. So let's join Jaha family. It will register. It will say registration complete. User Saitama at yahoo.com created and joined Jaha family successfully. Click OK. As you can see here, Saitama is already there and he's online. For the profile picture, I think it needed some time to be uploaded, and yeah, here it is. So if I click here, I can see Saitama's information. So what else? Let's try the Facebook sign in. So I will sign out here and Saitama will be offline immediately. So if I sign in using Facebook, continue, back here to grocery list, and click here continue, and as you can see here, the grocery list here is totally different from the other account. Why is that? If I click on family members, as you can see here, this is a Jaha family and this is OS family. So each family has its own grocery list and its own members, of course. So this is for my app, and let's see, for my codes, I only have 4 warnings, which is about the bots. I think the developer needs to update their bots, since if I click on one of them, it will tell me that some of the bots codes are duplicated. So these are bots issues. And for the offline database, for the documentation, it says I only need to add this line to be able to use the app even if there's no internet. Unfortunately, I can't test that since I'm using the VNC, but hopefully it will work. And yes, that's it for my app. If you have any questions, please send me an email. And yes, thank you.